At the National Assembly, lawmakers grilled government officials from the education, culture, and social sector. Main topics included the new police bureau and whether the latest COVID-19 measures are working. Bo-kyoung has more from day 3 of the interpellation session.
Day 3 of the National Assembly interpellation focused on social issues and the education and culture sectors. There was fierce debate on the Interior Ministry's new police bureau. The enforcement decree was passed on Tuesday, allowing the ministry to have more control over the police, including any personnel appointments. Addressing concerns that it will hinder police neutrality, Interior Minister Lee Sang-min said the aim is to improve transparency, as before, the work had been done by the now-defunct Senior Presidential Secretary for Civil Affairs Office. And regarding concerns over the minister having direct investigative control over the police, he said that will not happen.
This is why more than 80% of the bureau will be made up of current police officers. They will handle the work by themselves. If I do anything that's outside the boundary of the authority that I promised, it would become a problem right away.
Another hotly debated topic was tackling COVID-19. Lawmakers asked whether the Yoon administration's science-based measures are working and whether reducing financial support for those infected is the right thing to do. South Korean Prime Minister Han Duck-soo said that the situation the country is facing is better with vaccines and medicines, and that the funds should be used when the situation gets worse.
If people get vaccinated and adhere to personal hygiene measures, experts say it is unlikely that things will become aggravated. Financial aid is being reduced at a time when the situation is stabilized, to save funds for later use if it worsens.
The head of the Education Ministry, who was appointed without a parliamentary confirmation process, was grilled not only on certain personal issues, but also on the plans to nurture 150,000 new experts in the semiconductor industry. The government plans to do this by easing student quotas at universities regardless of region, which has sparked a backlash from universities outside the Greater Seoul area, worried that with eased quotas, they will get fewer students. The very first interpellation session since Yoon administration took office ended on Wednesday after 3 days of questioning. Though some hot topics were addressed, controversial issues will be debated further by parliamentary committees. Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.